Welcome to 126 Crossdale Road in Breightmet. Got a lovely property for you here today. It's a semi-detached true bungalow set back from the road, as we can see. It's close to many local amenities. Just down the road we've got Breightmet Medical Centre, we've got Breightmet Business Park. There's various different shops down there, close to local restaurants, etc. as well. As we can see, we've got a block paved driveway here which leads to that integral garage, and then a lovely low maintenance garden here to the front. That block paved driveway has a path which leads directly to the front door. So let's go in and have a look at the property we have on offer. Welcome into 126 Crossdale Road. Beautiful home I've got for you here. So here we are in the entrance hallway. We've got a door here which has great storage there. Lovely flooring, tile floor there. I save a door to the outside. So we're wandering to the lounge, and we have a really very well presented lounge. So we've got the wall mounted feature remote control electric flame fire. Obviously space for a TV, and cracking size TV that is as well. And as we can see, loads of room for the furniture. A couple of big settees in here. Really is very nice. So on through the lounge, we have the inner hallway. So we will have a look at the kitchen diner first of all. So again, lovely dining room. And it must be noted, this property is south facing to the rear. So you get all the light, as you can see, shining through the windows, through the French doors. And it really is a very delightful property to live in, to sit at the dinner table, to do the cooking. I mean, we've got the extractor fan, we've got the gas hob, double electric oven there, space for the fridge freezer and the washing machine. And again, we've got views out onto the garden, which we'll go and have a look at a little bit later. So that kitchen dining room, I say, lovely. Staying next to the kitchen dining room, we've got the main bedroom, the master bedroom, if you will. And we've got mirrored fitted wardrobes there. This, I believe, is a super king size bed. So you can see just by the size of it what a good size room this is. Loads of room to walk past the bed, not shuffling past it at all. And we've got those views over that south facing garden there, which we'll have a look at very shortly. Back into the inner hallway. Got the bathroom in front of us, but before we look at that, this is the second bedroom. Again, lovely size. Double glazed window there to the side, but super sized bedroom. I mean, you'd probably get a double bed in here, to be fair. And then the bathroom as well. There we are. We've got a 3-piece suite with a WC, the sink, P-shaped panel bath with a mixer tap, and then the shower there from the mixer tap. Lovely property. Okay, let's go and have a look in the rear garden. So here we are outside 126 Crossdale Road. We're in the rear garden here, which is south facing. So we're going to get plenty of sun. What a beautiful garden it is as well. So we've got this lovely patio area here. And you can see, I can feel the sun on my neck, to be fair, but it is lovely. Beautifully presented. We've got here a gate which leads to the front. We've got the outside tap there, as we can see. And we walk down a couple of steps, and we've got a lovely seating area here, which is covered. We've got a summerhouse there, low maintenance gravelled path which takes us to the raised flower beds at the back, and if we turn round, we have a lovely view of the garden here as well. Really is a super property, this. So for any further information, and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.